Hello YouTube, Dylan here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to draw Batman's flying aircraft, the Batwing or the Batplane, depending on what you prefer. So get a piece of paper and turn it sideways, and for this tutorial for the basic sketch, I'm going to use a grayscale marker. If you don't have one of those, you can use a pencil instead, and then for the final commitment of the drawing, I'm going to use a black Sharpie marker. So let's begin. To draw the Batwing, we need to start with these angled lines and plan it out. This will be like the basis of the wing. And keep it real loose. Don't worry about anything, because all these gray lines are going to be covered up soon. And the wing lines earlier are going to be longer than this part. This is the main body of the plane. And remember to make these half ovals. So now let's get into the further details, starting with this part, and that is the cockpit. And this is where the cockpit ends. And then that's the grill of the Batplane. Just be very loose. And as you notice, the Batwing looks a little bit like Batman's logo. So we're drawing the ears. Then we go to the wings a little more. And then right at the back of the plane, there's a kind of a fin that goes up. That's like the tail, the bat tail of the plane. And then right back here, like I said, the plane is shaped like Batman's logo. You have to draw these kind of triangular shapes. And you can use a pencil with this if you want. And there's kind of these are like the air vents. And here's the engine of the plane. And then here's the back part of the plane. Just keep it all loose. Don't worry about anything. And get the other side of the plane. And make sure that the wings have a little bit of detail on them to make it look, more mechanical. So now we have a very nice and loose grayscale drawing of the Batplane or the Batwing, whatever you prefer. Now we commit to the drawing with a black, very thick marker. You can use the darkness of your pencil or a crayon if you'd like. But now that we've got the basic sketch, let's use our black thick marker to commit to the main drawing. So we'll start with the cockpit. How else would the bat plane fly without it? And then we need to indicate the tail. Just be very careful with it. And don't forget the grill. Then some detail right here. And the front of the Batwing. Maybe some detail here too. Let's put some side detail to this. These are like shadows to make look like a light shining on it. And we need to get the inside of it too. And get the other side as well. And we'll get the back side. And we're gonna get the other side of the plane. And now we'll get to the main wings of the plane. And draw them very carefully with your marker or crayon. And then next we should get the details, like the mechanical details of the plane. And right here, then put these 3 lines that go from it. And we'll get the other wing. And we'll get the same details that we put here, right here. And make sure that they line up well. Like, they line up perfectly straight. If you need a ruler, feel free to get one. And the same kind of detail as the other wing. And then if you want, oh, we can't forget the engine way back here. And if you want, you can put a little bit of like flame that comes out of it. And there it is. That is the Batwing. I hope you had fun. If you feel like you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.